Babe, you're still freaking filming.
I know, I didn't stop.
Oh my god.
I bet you still eat the tacos. Oh, I bet you do.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas day 11. We've officially made it 11 days. And as usual, I just got off work. Gonna try things a little differently today. I have to go Christmas shopping and Ryan can't come with me. So we're gonna let him vlog. He's gonna cook some dinner. And if it's bad, I just won't make a video today.
Thanks for the confidence.
We're gonna see how the star of the show does without his right-hand man.
At least you recognize I'm a star.
We'll hand it off to him.
She's off.
Don't you guys love my outfit?
Yeah, you look like a basic white girl. You're just missing the
Babe,
Starbucks.
don't forget to turn the Christmas lights
The
on.
Starbucks and then the booty that says fat.
Oh my gosh.
Or bite me.
Did you try salt?
Yeah, I threw it down there. It didn't really work.
Okay, bye.
Paid $8,300 or whatever.
Okay, bye.
See you, babe. I can see me. I'm not cooking. I'm playing Call of Duty. No cook. No food. No tacos. Okay, I like tacos, so I probably do tacos. I'm gonna play Call of Duty. So, oh, she is gonna see this. Oh no, I'm not playing Call of Duty. I'm gonna do my chores. I need to do that. Fold them, which is the worst thing in the world. There's nothing worse than folding clothes. Nothing. Nothing. There might be a couple things, but at the time. Well, hello. Let's see how we do. We got the food club. Refried beans. Food club's the only way to go. No matter what. We got the Taco Bell seasoning. Thought I'd try it out. A little bit of corn. I think a little mild sauce. No matter what, even if I use a taco packet, I have to salt and pepper this. I mean, it's just chef 101. Does Bobby flay this thing up? I'm an old man, so I always have to use the wooden spoon. Y'all lucky I don't have like a chef hat or something. Or like a kiss to cook thing, you know what I mean? I'm actually very surprised that Too Tall likes refried beans, because it's not really a thing that I think that she would like. It looks like shit. Yeah, she likes them. I mean, she won't eat a vegetable, but sure eat refried beans. Funny thing is she freaks out about not using the recipe the way it is. But she's not here. So I did it the way I wanted to. Fucking deal with it. But I bet you would still eat them, Too Tall. I bet you still eat the tacos. Wow, I bet you do. Can you guys do the flip thing? Like how Bobby Flay and all them people do, Bam, Emerald. Can you guys do that too? Because I can. I kill it. Took me a while. I had to watch YouTube and shit. But I can do it. Well, that's pretty much it until she gets home. Then we'll slam. Wish we had like some chips and salsa or something. Hopefully she surprises me with some, but I doubt it, so.